How to book a car rental on Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to hertz.com, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on Pick Up and Drop Off Location. After you click on Pick Up and Drop Off Location, you'll find all these options of your location. Simply select your location. Then uncheck Same drop-off location and add your drop-off location. Then for pickup details, add the pickup date, time, and drop-off date and drop-off time. Press on Apply at the bottom. After you press on Apply at the bottom, click on View Vehicles in here. After you click on View Vehicles in here, on the left side, you'll find vehicle type. Select the one you prefer, and you can scroll through the vehicles and the prices and select the one you prefer. After you have selected, it will lead you to coverage page. Choose your protection. Select the one you want, which is protect the car, liability protection, medical. It is also given with price, so select and press on continue at the bottom. After you press on continue at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your driver details, select your price, book now or pay later or pay now, add payment details, press on book now, and you're good to go. This is how to book a car rental on Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.